Welcome back to Skibidi Tech. So as you know, the latest iOS 27 beta version has recently been released, and a lot of people are not satisfied and are experiencing lag spikes and a lot of bugs. Well, look no further, since in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to downgrade from iOS 27 to iOS 26 on your iPhone and iPad without any issues. We will do this by using this cool tool called Tenorshare ReiBoot. Tenorshare ReiBoot is a tool designed to fix common iPhone, iPad, and even Mac system issues. Whether your device is stuck on the Apple logo, frozen on a black screen, stuck in recovery mode, or experiencing software glitches after an update, ReiBoot offers several repair options that can help get your device working again. One of its biggest advantages is that many repairs can be completed without erasing your data. To get started, simply choose the free download option, then wait for the installer to finish downloading on your device. After the installer finishes downloading, open the file to begin the installation process. On Windows, you may see a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the application to make changes to your device. Simply click Yes to continue. The setup wizard will then appear. Follow the on-screen instructions, choose your installation location if you'd like, and click Install. The installation usually only takes a minute or two, depending on your system. Once installed, go ahead and open the tool. Once ReiBoot has been installed and launched successfully, you'll have access to the software and can explore its features. To unlock the full functionality, click on the Buy Now or Upgrade option within the software, or visit the official Tenorshare website. After installing, you get a limited time 20% discount valid for 24 hours after installing. As you can see, there are a lot of options available. After your purchase is complete, Tenorshare will send your license information directly to your email address. Once registered, let me show you how to downgrade. Upgrade your iOS version using the tool. Simply choose the iOS upgrade or downgrade option. Now you should see two options presented right here. In today's video, I will use the downgrade option, as I already upgrade to iOS 27 using the same tool. Now simply connect your device, then click on Downgrade. Now download the iOS 26 firmware for your device and wait for it to finish downloading. Once downloaded, click on Initiating Downgrade, and now wait for your device to downgrade. Please do note that downgrading will erase all of your data. If you wish to confirm the downgrade, simply hit on Continue and wait for your device to downgrade. And after a while, you should see that it has been successfully downgraded back to iOS 26. Overall, Tenorshare ReiBoot is a useful tool for anyone dealing with iPhone, iPad, or Mac software issues. If you'd like to try ReiBoot for yourself, check out the official link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more iOS tutorials and tech content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.